Indian markets kicked off the day with a bang. The Sensex opened strong, rallying more than 400 points, and the Nifty almost touched 24,900. Traders were smiling, momentum looked solid, and it seemed like the bulls were back in control. But by afternoon, the story completely flipped. What started as a celebration quickly turned into panic. The Sensex crashed nearly 800 points from the day's high, finally closing 390 points lower at 80,365. The Nifty, which was soaring in the morning, ended the session down 110 points at 24,635. Banking stocks, the backbone of the market, were a roller coaster on their own. Bank Nifty swung violently between 54,680 on the upside and 54,244 on the downside before closing high. Kotak, ICICI, and Axis all slipped into losses, while HDFC and SBI ended on a positive note. If you look at the sectors, IT was the rare bright spot. Infosys and TCS managed to post gains of 1 to 2%, bringing some relief to the bulls. But energy and metals dragged the market down hard. Reliance lost around 1.5%, and the broader mid-cap and small-cap space also struggled. Globally, the setup looked more constructive. The US dollar is sliding, bond yields have cooled off, and Wall Street futures are in the green. Over in Asia, China's industrial profits jumped more than 20% year-on-year in August, sparking a rally in carmakers and solar stocks. But Europe remains cautious as inflation numbers are due, and that uncertainty spilled over into our markets as well. So, where do we go from here? For Nifty, the level to watch is 24,800. That's the battleground. If the bulls can reclaim and hold it, the index could sprint to 25,000 in no time. But if bears hold their ground, we could easily slip to 24,500 or even lower. And while equities are battling it out, commodities are telling a different story. Gold is hitting fresh record highs, silver is finally catching up, and with Fed rate cuts on the horizon, a new risk-on wave might be building across global markets. The big question now is this: are you ready to ride these mega trends shaping the world economy, or will the volatility shake you out?